Let's begin with a simple question. What comes to mind when you hear the word public relations? If you thought of press releases, media coverage, or managing a crisis, you're partly right. But PR is much broader than that. It's not just about spinning stories or fixing problems. Done right, PR is about building trust over time. It's about managing how people see and understand your brand, message, or mission. In this lecture, we will unpack what PR truly means, how it works behind the scenes, and why it's essential in today's fast paced, hyper connected world. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to define public relations in simple, actionable terms, understand how PR differs from marketing and advertising, recognize the core goals of PR in any organization, spot common myths and misunderstandings about PR. What is public relations? At its core, public relations is all about managing perception, how people see and understand you, whether you is a business, a nonprofit, a public figure, or a cause. The Public Relations Society of America, PRSA, defines it as public relations is a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationships between organizations and their publics. In simpler terms, PR is how you communicate with the public to build trust, shape your reputation, and foster connections. It's not just about publicity, it's about creating clear, consistent, and meaningful dialogue that supports long term credibility and goodwill. PR versus marketing versus advertising. People often confuse PR with marketing or advertising. So here's a quick breakdown. Advertising is paid. You buy the space or time to promote a product. Marketing is about promoting and selling products or services. Public relations is about earned trust through media coverage, relationships, storytelling, and reputation management. PR doesn't directly sell. Instead, it builds credibility so that when people see your product, message, or mission, they already trust you. Think of PR as what people say about you when you're not in the room, and your job is to help shape that story. What PR looks like in real life. Public relations isn't confined to press releases or media events. It's woven into everyday moments that shape public perception. You'll see PR in action when a startup gets featured in a popular tech blog, a nonprofit spokesperson appears in a news interview, a CEO issues a calm, transparent statement during a crisis, a brand highlights its community outreach on social media, a company addresses and corrects misinformation in the press. These aren't just communication tactics, they're strategic moves to build credibility, trust, and long term goodwill. PR may not always make headlines, but its impact is lasting and real. Why PR matters for every brand. Whether you're a small business, a personal brand, or a global corporation, people are constantly forming opinions about you. That's why public relations, PR, is essential. It shapes perception, builds credibility, and supports your long term success. PR helps you to stay visible and relevant in a crowded marketplace, build trust and goodwill with your audience and stakeholders, navigate tough situations with clarity, confidence, and control, gain earned media coverage that advertising dollars can't buy, strengthen and protect your brand's reputation over time. In a digital world where opinions spread instantly and widely, effective PR is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Debunking common myths about PR. Let's clear up some common misconceptions about public relations. PR is just about press releases. In reality, PR is about strategic storytelling, relationship building, and shaping public perception, not just announcements. PR is only for big companies. Every brand, from solo freelancers to startups and nonprofits, benefits from a strong, credible public image. PR is about spinning the truth. Ethical PR is rooted in honesty, transparency, and trust. It's about clear, consistent communication, not manipulation.